Hello everybody, this is Jay's How-To channel and I'm Jay. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the feet on your MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. You're going to need a pentalobe screwdriver. It's a 5-pointed screwdriver, 30 millimeters. You can get this tool on Amazon. I'll put the link for this tool in the description below this video. We'll speed this up and get the cover off really quickly here. Okay, we're going to flip over the back cover and cut the back side of these feet off just so that we can get them removed on the other side. You don't want to leave any plastic debris inside your computer. It might get stuck in the fan. All right, we can scrape all these feet off. Get rid of all the little plastic pieces. And then we're going to come in with some isopropyl alcohol. This will take off the adhesive that's underneath the plastic, or this between the plastic and the aluminum. So here we go. And we can scrape this off with a little plastic scraper. This comes along with the pentalobe screwdriver that I told you about earlier. Yeah, there you go. We got it all cleaned up. Now I purchased these plastic feet from Amazon as well. Now you can see the little dot right here. You want to make sure that that lines up with the little dot on the back of your computer. So let's just get that all lined up and reattach all these feet. Now these feet actually have adhesive. They're kind of like stickers, but they're good solid rubber feet. Now you see these little slots here? They accept these clips from the back of the computer, and we can just kind of snap this back in place. There you go. And now we're going to come back in with the screws. These two top screws are little. You can see the difference between the little screws and the big screws. You have to get those separate. I actually put them all together in a bowl and I had to separate them out. So here we go. Let's get this all screwed together. If you guys like this video, consider smashing that like button. Really appreciate you guys. And we'll get through this and show you. Flip this over and it doesn't slide at all. All right, thanks everyone.